First, create a new project and then select a black background from the media browser. Go to layers and then add a text layer. Write down the text that you would like to appear on the video zoom effect. Adjust the text, select the bold font and select white color to be the text color. I'm using Roboto Black as my font for this project. Now I am adjusting the text to fill the screen, and then what I'll do is I'll take a snapshot. Go to capture and save. My snapshot is saved in the device. Now I will go out of this project and create one more project. From the media browser, select the text captured in the earlier step. So this image is taken as an image video layer. So this is our text layer. Actually not a text layer, it is a image layer, and on this layer we can apply the pan and zoom effect. So select the aim position and zoom it all the way. Try to maintain the zooming position to the middle of the text and on a white color on the text. So I can see that my screen is not completely filled up. So what I'll do is I'll take a snapshot of my last frame and add as a clip. So here I can see that my screen is not filled up completely. There are blacks on the border, so I would capture and add as a clip. So I have this new clip added. So this clip I'll go to pan and zoom it all the way to fill the screen completely with white, and please adjust the time to match the speed. So I'm selecting almost 0.5 seconds as time for the next second clip here. So once you're satisfied, export it as a video layer, export it as a video. Now go to project, new project, and in this time you select the video that you wish to have the text zoom effect. Here for an example I'm selecting a video of my balcony garden. So it's a small video, it's not a very good video, but still for the demonstration I'm using it. So on top of that video, bring the text video layer that we have created in our earlier step and adjust the layer to fill the screen. So this text layer is there with a zooming effect, but we cannot see the video. To see the video, what we do is select the text layer and go to blend mode and change the blend mode to multiply. Now here it goes. Here we can see the zoom through the text video effect. So the video is coming out of the text. So just export this as your video file and you're done. Thank you for today. Hope to see you in my next tutorial soon. See you.